Welcome to our Tips in 2 series, where we share tips around finding information for your upcoming exams and assignments and how to get the most out of using our online resources in just 2 minutes. In this tutorial, we'll be sharing our tips around referencing and our referencing supports available online. So our first tip is to check out our Referencing and Avoiding Plagiarism LibGuide. So under the tab Guides and Tutorials on the library homepage, you can scroll down and then navigate to the All Guides A through Z. We'll then scroll down to Referencing and Avoiding Plagiarism Guide. This guide includes sections such as what is referencing, how to avoid plagiarism, and which referencing style should I be using. You can find out here what style you should be using based on your discipline, and also a link to the style guides in PDF format. We also have examples of referencing based on individual styles. So if we click Harvard, you will see referencing examples for individual materials such as journal articles, newspapers, online images, and even podcasts. If we go into library search, another tool that we recommend using is the citing tool here. So if we want to cite this individual journal article, we select this icon, we select the type of style we want, and it will generate that reference for you. Make sure to double check that it matches your departmental handbook. Lastly, you will find some great online tutorials on our YouTube channel under the Research Skills and Resources Toolbox playlist. And here we have a 10-minute tutorial that provides an introduction to referencing and reference management tools. So that was our tips around referencing and our referencing supports available online. Make sure to check out our 2-minute tutorials in this series.